Join us today as we look at Trident maples during the fall and winter season. All right, so let's look at some of my Trident maples, how they're doing during this fall winter season. This is my clump. I actually might be selling my clump this year. Haven't decided yet. I don't know if I can really push the design in the next couple of years. What's interesting this year is it needs a repot really bad. It actually pushed itself out of its pot since July. It actually just start creeping up a little bit. It's to a point that it is out of its pot, and that's all root mass. So yeah, so this guy is gonna get a shaving like up to here. Oh, sorry, up to here is my guess. So, during this next couple weeks, when I get some time. But yeah, so I've been watering that a couple of times a day. That's Japanese maple. That's turning really good fall color. Here is that root over rock. You can see that really nice base, chunky base. I most likely need to make this my new apex, or graft a new apex somewhere in here. But it's doing its thing. It's a shohin. Over here is that lovely small shohin. I don't think it's bigger than shohin at this point, but this is that really sumo Trident maple. Has not turned color, but it's slowly. You can see it's the coloration starting to come in. So maybe in the next couple weeks, couple days, I'll probably turn colors. I hope. Dawn Redwood's really putting a show back there. Almost looks like a nice Christmas tree. This Trident maple is starting to turn color. You can see it's that golden yellow. This is my big giant one. That's soon to probably go on. I need to repot. This one's going to repot this year, most likely. And this goes all the way up. Look how crazy. Sacrificial growth. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. That's the top all the way up there. My guess that's 25 feet. Yeah, but beautiful color. Look at the fall color. No reds. This is all yellows and ambers this year. Here's my favorite thing. You can, it's rooted to the ground, so I gotta wait until everything falls and that'll be ready. That's the other Trident over here. This is our victim later today. It is a root over rock. I did a couple years ago. This is a front. I recut the top. Actually, it was too lanky. And then we'll talk about this. So we're going to talk about fall cleanup. And of course, the main event. Everybody's asking about this guy. So this guy, I moved him twice this season. Move around so you can see him. I moved him around twice this season. This is his second moving after repotting. And it's taken off. I need a new top on this one. But I'm going to start wiring some of these branches down a little bit, or actually going to cut them short. I'm probably going to wire them down. It's not that bad to pull them down. But this guy, unlike the other branch, ain't going nowhere. So it totally rooted in the ground in the second place. So I'm going to probably, when this all falls off, turns color, I'm going to saw the bottom off and then wiring it inside when it gets a little warmer to work on. But that one's still solid green, but I fed the crap out of that guy. So this is our new victim today. New victim for today. I'll get my tripod out. I'm gonna work out here really quick so you can kind of work on, see what this guy kind of looks like. Alrighty, here, so let me pull my cords or so. The front's right here. Kathy Bomi pot. It was originally this tall with a really long neck. So what I did this year is I flat cut it up here and just let it grow this season. It has a fall color ready, but it's this turned color early in the season. I'm not sure if it's the location, where it's located, and the less light it has. So this was grown as one of our intermediate classes with Lindsay Shiba when he was at this old nursery. And then it was grown in the ground for about 5 years to get this really trunk structure. And then 2 years in a training pot. And then in this guy. And then the pandemic hit. And then I just let this kind of grow out a little bit because I did not know what to do. And then last year I said screw it, and then I cut the top off, and then I just let this one growth take off. So in the fall, winter time, once the leaves are browned out, some of the leaves browned out, I'll like to go in and actually remove all the leaves. I'm looking for like pest cuts that did not heal. Like I have one cut back here that did not heal at all. So I'm just kind of exploring where it stopped. It seems that it stopped right around here. So it needs. And then I got these lovely volunteers that show up. Now, I won't cut them back right now. Because if I cut them back right now, there's a high probability that some of these branches may die out. And then they won't cauterize for the winter time. What this gives me opportunity is right now is to really look at, give me some time. This probably needs a repot this season too. But right now it gives me an opportunity to kind of look at which branches to keep. Like this is going down and out, that's gone. I'm gonna clip that pretty quick. But like, which branch do I keep? I can't keep all of them. I keep all of them, there's gonna be a knuckle. So I don't want that to occur. So I'm gonna have to pick one of these branches to be my main branch. And then let that take off and strengthen again. This is a good candidate. This is a great candidate. This is a bad one. And especially if this is my front, this points to the back. So that's not the greatest. That's not bad to keep for now to heal. It could be a cascade. I don't know. One of these are a keeper. One of these gonna a keeper. Most likely one of these or one of these. Okay, and I want to keep this alive to keep this like tissue alive back here. There's no growth back here. One of these is gonna be a keeper. One of those is gonna be keeper, and the rest are gone. I haven't looked at this in a while, but this is the first time I get to see how it grew this year. It's not that bad actually. I've seen worse. I've seen it give me less to work with, but I don't know. Let me see. Let me step back and kind of look at it from afar. It doesn't look too bad. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad at all. It's better than what I had before. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave this until about when I repot it in around January is my guess. And in January, I'll put this inside the sunroom. See if it needs a repot. I think it may need a repot. Again, repot for this guy you saw from the other Trident. If it pops out, it's time to repot. If water does not penetrate all the way through, that's another time to repot. But again, I use a really porous soil mix, so my climate does pretty well. So I gotta see. Most likely, it probably needs a repot pretty quick. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put probably next couple weeks. We'll be working on some of the pygmy cypresses. Some of the other Japanese maples are going to sleep right now. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and then see you guys next time. Bye.